Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Every Day Until I Get the Job. This is day 97. Wow. We're almost at 100. Amazing. So I think what we can do today is continue the HCAPTCHA implementation. I hope I entered the correct key and everything, but let's continue with this. Like I was about to do this, so we need to have an enter. Yeah, it's capture props, that is correct. It has an on verify. Again, types that void on expire. Was it? No, okay. It's also a function and then on error. Error which is string void, that is correct. Those are actually correct, yes. Thank you. What we need to have is if we don't have site key, we need to create one site key. That is actually correct. Oh my god. Thank you, Copilot or Gemini. And return all. That is correct. That's practically it. Okay. And the next one that we need to have is we also need, oops. Oops. We also need CAPTCHA.display name. CAPTCHA, okay. At this point, yeah, you already know what you're doing. But we forgot to install the package, which is stupid. npm add h captcha / react h captcha. Okay. What other problems do we have? Okay, that's gonna be a problem. Why does it ask string to be? Is it the one with this? No, it's not. Okay, we'll have to fix that later. Let's just do the expected type from the property side key, which is declared here on type read only HCAPTCHA prop. Do we have? No, okay. You know what? Let's leave it at that. The next part is we need to fix the auth form. In the auth form, we need to import the CAPTCHA. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, we need to add a token as well inside of the form here. Because before the submit button, we need to create a H captcha, correct? So get a class name of Flex JCenter. Side of it, this is gonna be the captcha component with, it's gonna have ref, which is the captcha ref, and then on verify, it's gonna be handle verify, which we already made before. Okay, let's add some space. Okay, and then the auth card. Okay. Oh, we forgot to add token, which is a type token or undefined. Okay, I think this one is correct, but the token here, okay, how can I make the side key is also like this again? Would that remove the error? Yeah, okay, true. Because could be empty, which is undefined, right? Okay, no more error, so that's correct. What else do we need? We would also need to change the auth card we already have here. To pass the HCaptcha token to the signup function. Yeah, there we go. Because this is where the signup is. Export default function at card mode sign in. Other state function const handle auth submit. We need to pass it. Oops. Pass a token is of type string. Okay, what is this? Token has any type. No, it's not. Okay. Sign up error with sign up email password image. Okay, it still uses the avatar as of right now. Callback URL fetch options. Pass the token in the body. Okay, where do we paste it here? Fetch options. Do I need to create a body by itself? Okay, one moment. I need to do something. Let's hold it to that. Wait, 1 second. This is what I need to do something. Hmm. Hello, Sue and Jacon. Ein Moment, bitte. Okay. Mm. Oh, you might. A little bit sick, but recovering. Okay, 1 second. Um, 1 second. I think we have. Okay, sorry. I just need to. Okay, what is the last step we need to take? Pass the token in the body of the request. How do we pass the? Okay, do we need to create? Okay. Fetch option. So it's below the fetch option. We need to create a new. A body which has the token like this, I think. Okay, this doesn't have this. Okay. Doesn't have any in this because it's from the better auth. Okay, how do we fetch the body? Pass the token in the body of the request. How do we do that? Do they have anything in the better auth like implementing with age captcha? They have like plugins or okay, that's not what I want. Captcha? Is there any captcha? No. Oh, okay, there we go. CAPTCHA. Okay, there we go. We need to implement the CAPTCHA plugin. I think I haven't really. Okay, let's fix this. Capture verification for key endpoint plugin ensures only human users can perform. Add the plugin to your auth config. Okay, so we need to change this. Add the capture token to your header. Okay, so this is what we need to do. The plugin acts as a middleware. It intercepts all post requests to configure endpoints. Okay, so we need to... Is this turnstile token, but... What if I use HCAPTCHA? Okay, I'm gonna need to talk to Gemini again, but wait 1 second. I need to... do something.
Lari tadi, hujan-hujanan. Lari tadi. Hah? Ram.
We definitely need to... Okay, so we need to have this XCAPTCHA spawn header. I don't think I want to share the user's IP, just this, but what do I use instead of turnstile token? HCAPTCHA token? Okay, we need to recheck that. I think we can do the... Okay, the auth card is still... We need to check back on the auth.ts and lib. Yeah, this is the main one that we need to add here. Okay. Okay, the AI, as usual, says that, oh, you're absolutely right. It's bullshit. No, no bullshit. It's just like, I guess if we point it out and use the docs, would be much better. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Good morning. Sorry, I need to be off for a while. I need to transfer some stuff. Give me 5 minutes and enjoy the music. Thank you. Still recovering.
Kalau ngeliat ruangan ujian tuh di mana nih?
He's in one.
Terus
Ke yang registration gitulah, terus nanti biasanya ada yang exam di take di semester itu, terus di bawah-bawahnya tuh nanti ada infonya. Cuman nggak tahu, kadang tuh ada yang udah ngeluarin, ada yang belum kan pelajaran. Okay, sorry, what? Thank you. What's that? I want to implement CAPTCHA, even though I only... want to implement CAPTCHA, even though I only have 10 users. The drink? Oh, the drink, it's lemon tea. Oh, it's tea with some lemon. I don't know if you can see it. It's just tea. The color of the tea is red and with some lemon slices. The color is, I really like the color. It's red. I think it's because one of the spices he used is some red flower. I don't know what's the name. I haven't checked the tea box, but yeah, the color is nice. Smells good, but I can't really smell that well anyways. A little bit hint of cinnamon. Wait, 1 second. I still need to transfer a few things. Mm, Why CAPTCHA? I heard that it's like to protect forms, right? And kind of bots could spam like to sign in and sign up, and thought I could, what other highly unnecessary optimization and security checks that I could have in the site. And also just want to learn again something new and how the things that I see on the web works, even though using HCAPTCHA and the other stuff. So I don't know. It's totally unnecessary again, just like other features that I add to the site. I guess I just want to learn more. Okay, so okay, 1 second. I need to transfer something first. I'm sorry, getting distracted again. Ah, okay. Yeah, it's used for the image. Yeah, it's used for training AI, right? To object detection, image detection. It's like that. And yeah, I guess it's annoying, the capture itself, right? It's not really how would you say it? Like the user experience is bad, especially if you need to click button or if so Yeah, I think yesterday someone suggested to use the invisible mode so that it would check the if the user or the visitor is a bot or not under the code automatically, I think, right? It was easier and cheaper to get millions of people to train AI instead of, yeah, that's kind of genius and kind of evil in a sense. But I mean, I think I saw on Instagram or on Reddit that someone uses an AI or like either one of the AI and use the putting it into a browser and they could actually complete the captcha. So I guess it works. Yes, if you're going to use captcha, the auto detect version, yeah. Okay. The other one I need to. The auto detect version tracks mouse movement that humans make as they move the mouse around. Bots do not do this. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. So the other, okay, I need to add the captcha plug in here, I think. Right? Yes. Captcha. It has provider. Is it provider and then secret key? Okay. Oh, okay, sorry. We need to add the plugin for captcha. Okay, sorry. Okay, that should work. And then do we need to enable for? I don't see. See, it doesn't really have this. Does not exist. Okay, so let's just not do that. What type does it have? What's inside here? Okay, couldn't really see it. we already have the H capture component here, new one. The auth form is already changed. We add the token. We also add a few of that state and a toast if the captcha, yeah, to sign up. And then I think we also added the captcha button itself in here, yeah. And then the auth card. Update the auth card to send the captcha token in the headers. We need to change that header. Okay. So we don't have this property here. But what we do have is in the fetch options. There's a headers option, right? I guess we can just put it here. Okay. We need to add the token in here. Already added the token. So why is it not? Okay, what do we need? Router, use router, handle or submit email, password, and token. Sorry, we need to add token here. Yeah. Is there any error? No, it's good. It accepts it. Okay, cool. One error, cons message, cons error. Okay. Okay. I think that should be all, right? I would guess so. Okay. I think changing the auth here, it capture here, and this. Okay, I think I need to test it. But the thing is, what I also don't know is that do I need to Oh, okay. No, I don't want that. This is the public key, right? I can share it. This is the public key. The secret key is safe. I can I can share this. This is fine. But if I test it using localhost, would this key work, or do I need the localhost key? Never. Oh, okay. Okay, then. Okay. Okay. Public keys can be in the client bundle. So, okay. Wait, yeah, 1 second. I want to check something. Let's not share the ENV. That would be stupid. Private keys should only ever be in the server. You should be able to use your keys in localhost. Ah, okay. Public keys can. Okay. Roger that. Okay. The one with next public. Ah, okay. The one with next public is the one that is in the client bundle. Okay. Next publics are client side. Ah, okay. Roger that. Okay, I guess we can test it. We can give it a try and see if our testing works. So for the var name, okay, there is an extension device that will hide the NVIDIA. Oh, really? Okay, what is that? Okay, that is actually helpful. I need to look that up. Let's sign out and let's check if you want to sign in. Say you want to create an account. Will we see a CAPTCHA? We do. Okay. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's try to using, I think we already have like test 1, 2, 3. Let's do test 4. Okay, this is terrible. I just realized I couldn't really see the text. Okay, I'm gonna need to fix the dark mode. Okay. Text is not readable. I'm human. Create account. Oh, okay, that is cool. Okay. I couldn't really test it if I'm a bot, right? How would that work? Shit, do I need to create like a script to test the... Oh, maybe we can give it a try. Okay. Is there a way to like test the captcha, like creating bots or use some Python script or something? Playwright might work. Okay. That's actually interesting. Okay. We can try that. Would using the Python request library works? Yeah, okay. I think we could try this using some script. I really miss Python, to be honest. Maybe we can try to do it. Okay. 1 second. I just got something to transfer again. Perhaps. Okay, let's give that a try, shall we? I think we can give that a try, right? Okay. I've never done a full Python project as a script as a part of another project. My daughter had used it for high school though. Damn, what is she making? What is she doing? I use it for Flask and Django, and to be honest, I miss it. Even though I know, I guess at the time, the one of the reason I didn't really, I don't know why I didn't focus more on the Python ecosystem. It's much more, I don't know. Yeah, probably I will give Django another try on another project. We'll see. Hmm. It was just in this school. She very bad. She's not technical. I wish they would have like, I don't know, the Indonesian system used to have like computer classes, but they for some reason they don't really have it anymore, or they don't focus on it, which is kind of bad. Delphi, what is that? Oh, they're not exactly useful in today's world. Okay, this is the only the Delphi we see. It's in Greek. Okay. Even though we already searched for programming language, it still shows the place Delphi. Okay. Okay, we can see that it works. Well, right now, we can try to stop the dev server and try to make that Python script. Then we can close this for, okay. We can close this for now. We'll open them after this. Wait, do I have? I think I have. Oh, Python 3. Yeah, I forgot that part. Python 3. 3.12. Yeah, I think it should. Do I have pip? I forgot. What is the? Pip version. Okay, let's see if we have. It was this, except for Turbo Pascal, it is maintained by Embrasadero Technologies.
Kamu udah ngomong lagi ya?
But I use it in the Borland days, original developers. I I don't know that. I'm so sorry. Am I too young? Turbo Pascal. I've heard it before, but oh my god, I just got invoice from Hetzner. And it's only 3 euros? Huh? What? How come? What? Cool. Okay. Do we have Pip? I think we have Pip. Okay, so really, I don't have Pip. Oh, but I really want to try. I heard there's a new, not new, but UV, like the Python, like much faster than Pip, lighter and something like I don't know. It's been a while. Rust-based tool that replaces Pip. Pip tools, Pip export tree. Kind of wanna learn a little bit, or shouldn't? Okay. Maybe we can try giving it a try. You know, why not? Because I heard that it's much faster than Pip. It serves as a drop-in replacement for traditional Python organization tools like Pip, offering significant improvements in speed, reliability, and dependency resolution. This tool represents a new generation of Python package manager designed to address common pain points in the Python ecosystem, such as slow installation times, dependency conflicts, and environment management complexity. This achieves this through the industry, making it 10 to 100 times faster than traditional package manager. Yeah, because I heard you don't need to build virtual environment if you're using Pip, right? Built-in virtual environment. Okay. All essential aspects of UV so you can start using it immediately. Have anyone used UV before? Keep and have been traditional tools for Python package management and virtual environment creation. While they get the job done, UV offers several compelling advantage. Of course, it's using Rust. So yeah, you don't need UV combines both function and single tools to streamline the workflow. UV maintains fully compatibility with Pip ecosystem while addressing its key limitation. It can use the same recurrence.txt file and package indexes, making migration seamless. I use Conda, and I don't really, yeah, it's very slow. Man, okay. Should we give it a try? Create a new Explore UV directory with the following content: CD3A. Okay. Okay, this is a bit too much. I think for now I'm just gonna use pip. Maybe if I work with Fast API or Django or Flask, maybe I will use UV. But for now, I think just simple pip because it's only like one script. I don't need all the other. So yeah. Cool. Okay. Okay, so what we need to do first is I forgot. We need to. I think I already set up some Python in the new Vim, but we'll see. So what we need to install is pip install requests. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, seriously, do I need to create virtual environment for this? Do I really need to? Okay, okay. I think this one. Sorry, I forgot. Python 3. Okay, I understand why I left Python because all this environment stuff is bullshit. Okay, maybe if I use UV, and I think UV core, and I hired a lot of new things in Python. So hey, yo, wait. Sorry. Steps captcha. We need to import request. We need to import on. Sign up underscore URL. HTTP. Dash localhost 3000 slash API slash host slash sign dash email. Data for payload. Okay, do I need the token? No, right? Oh yeah, I already have set up linting and stuff for Python as well.
Gimana jadi ngambek ya? Gue mau ambil tasnya nih. biar lu bisa bawa 2 botol minum. Nggak minum dari air keran mancing.
Oh, whoops, that's what I want. We can have a try catch block. Oh my god, I forgot they have a try catch as well. Oh, it's not. Oh yeah, it's try accept. Okay, I remember. Kinda, sort of. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, yeah, I can. I forgot. I forgot. The indenting stuff is kind of annoying. Okay. And then we have a try again. Okay. Very funny. Haha. Okay, yeah, I remember why I don't really like Python. Okay, the indentation sucks. I just realized it. Okay. Forgot how to feel. Okay, let's test it. Give it a try. See if it works. Holy, there's a lot of chat. Sorry, guys. I didn't see the chat for us, but I think I want to learn Zig next. He told me about when I was high school, though. Yo, what's the motivation behind this? Sorry, I didn't see the chat. The chat wasn't moving. No, it's only for the Python is only for like a test script to check the so I implemented HCAPTCHA to the sign up, and I want to test. If I test it using myself, the CAPTCHA would know that I'm not a bot, right? But if let's say I create and go to the sign up, I learned Python since the beginning of uni, I think now. But this one, for this, the bot cannot do it, right? So that's why I want to test using this Python script. Is it hard to get a job? Yes, it is very hard right now, especially for me, because I don't have that much experience yet. And that's why I'm doing this challenge of coding every day until I get a job, making projects, learning new stuff, reading documentation, asking AI. How can it make coding fun? For me, it's building stuff like this, I guess, because seeing it live, seeing it, you can like physically see it. Well, not physically touch it, but like you can see it, right? And I think if you can see it, or at least like it have any some sort of response, that's pretty fun for me. Like, oh my god, it finally works, you know? Okay, so like, okay, we can try this. Sorry, I didn't see the chat for some reason. The chat wasn't moving for a few. Let me refresh it, see if there's more. I didn't saw it. Sorry. Okay. Ugh, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, the dev server is running. I think we can run the file right now and test if it's working. But it did block it, you know? I guess it's just fail it. Does it fail it? It says 400. Mm, and the code is doing what it should. Okay. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be block it, right? It's not supposed to just giving a response. That is a failed request, not a block request. So the test is testing wrong and the code is doing what it should. Oh, wait, I think is it this Python script itself that is wrong? Or like the print statement that is wrong? This is okay, should block it, right? Okay. It just blocks the execution on the server based on the captcha. Is it like I'm confused. Like, is it my test that is wrong or the captcha implementation that is wrong? Only missing captcha response, right? Okay. It's the test. Ah, okay. Show the test again. Okay. This is the log here. I think, is it because I put it wrong? Oh, but the okay, yeah, okay, okay. The captcha works just fine, right? It's just I think the logic for printing. The blocks the requests and sends back 400 bit requests. But I would still need to implement rate limiting then. So the sign up endpoint wouldn't be yeah, because the message should be invalid captcha, right? I guess just I guess it's just because I have the and in this one, right? I think this one is the issue because since I get the message of invalid missing captcha instead of invalid captcha, maybe if I change it to missing captcha. I think the invalid captcha in response text.lower, this one, it's not checking correctly because the response, yeah, okay, maybe we can just delete this part. Oops, that's not what I want. What? Maybe we can just do this. Yeah, I guess that logic, right? But the thing is, the captcha protection works, right? Because it returns the 400. It's just that I would still need to rate limit the endpoint so that the bot wouldn't spam. But if I check umami, response message contains captcha. Okay. Yeah, I think something like this, right? Okay. Let's check umami because I think nobody okay. Nobody signs up anyway. Let's check the visitor. Yeah, better authors have rate. Oh, wait, do they? Oh, wait, yeah, they do. But oh, okay, yeah. I I forgot, but there's no search here. Yeah, 100 requests in 60 seconds, right? This one. Okay, it's disabled in development mode. And enabled true. Okay. Nature of natural. Hello, welcome. I am from Indonesia. So currently I'm currently testing and testing adding a new feature which is captcha to the site. Welcome, Nature of Natural. What time is it there? Okay, I'm gonna try to test it again and see if it's better now. So it's only been 97. It's more like it's more like the continuation of doing the stream. Ah, okay. The lowercase. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, now it works, yeah. The server correctly blocked the request because CAPTCHA is missing or invalid. So it works. I did. I applied to around, let me check, yeah. I have a tracker, by the way, of the I was thinking of making a okay, you know, that's for later. Okay, so I did yesterday I applied for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 roles. I applied for this role. So I didn't only apply for dev jobs. I also applied for some content creation jobs because I do also do it on the side. So yeah, this is all the jobs I applied yesterday. This is the location. I also applied to other cities as well. I got rejected already by this. Like I applied in like the morning and got the rejection email in the evening. So sorry rejected. So today I think I'm gonna do more. And I think I have like around 20 that I didn't really put in this tracker. So I'll apply more and yeah, we'll see how that goes. I did. Yesterday I already applied. Just no response from all of these yet. Most likely getting rejected again. So never mind me. Okay, I think we can merge the H captcha. Spectacle in Germany. As of right now, yes. I humbly request you to not streaming after you get a job. I hope you get a job soon. When did you try to get a job in Indonesia? I'm sure this is the skill you have. I would probably still try. I think my graduation is around next week, so I think I'll try to apply in Indonesia as well, but we'll see how that goes. Paying's not great in most places, yeah. But I don't know. But I think I will apply in Indonesia as well. Sometimes, maybe. Maybe if I'm already desperate and, you know, I don't know, feel lost, I will try to apply again in Indonesia. But as of right now, I'm still really focused on Germany. I'd like to migrate to Germany or the Netherlands. Any city? Any specific city that you prefer? If I'm that desperate, I would probably, yeah. Okay, I think as usual, what we can do is run the lint and everything locally first, right? npm lint, and see if we have any type error. Probably not Amsterdam. I think for a lot of the tech here, it's a lot of companies is in Berlin and in München, I think. München and Berlin. But I also see a lot of jobs in Frankfurt and Stuttgart, because you know Stuttgart have the automotive, the Mercedes and Porsche. A lot of the jobs here, again, if I remember correctly, a lot of it's like PHP, Java, and .NET. I was thinking, should I just learn PHP just so that the okay, they have, okay, this is few. Frankfurt and Munich, yeah. See, like, okay, never mind. Dusseldorf also have a lot. As you can see, it's very okay. This actually has the most. Really? What? Okay, Dortmund. Whoa, okay, wait, what is this? Yeah, I was thinking, should I starts to learn that because that's like one of the most in demand. And yeah, Java, PHP, and .NET is still very, very popular. My hope or like wish was that at least here I get like internship first, because I know a full-time job right away it would be impossible. My goal is finding internship and or work student or something like more part-time. Yeah, building portfolio. Yeah, and then start just as like an intern or like a Werkstudent, like here. But no luck, I guess. Yeah, because see, there's no practicum at all or internship opening. Skills are transferable. Magento. We'll apply for more. Don't worry. Okay, so a lot of it goes from YouTube, obviously. The sign up only 3, so okay. Yeah, a lot of it's are more specialized on like AI, LLMs, all that stuff right now. Yeah, I would agree. Oh, we have 16 visitors in the last 24 hour. Cool. Mm, cool. Okay. Okay, this worked. I think we can run the lint, right? And merge it. And I think that should be all for today. No ESLint warning or errors. And okay, that means we're good. We can merge it. Cool. Mm-hmm. Let's publish the branch. Let's go check to GitHub. And let's compare pull requests. And let's ask CodeRabbit to see it for us. In the same breath, when there is a problem, she is boned. I would argue that you should focus on being to do a little bit or everything in this case. I give my daughter his forget IT and become a chef. You're better off figuring out how to solve a real world problem and turn that into a product or service. A suggestion for me, I'm from Nepal and started high school and thinking about learning ML. Compete with the big techs and democratize services and their products. So working with a startup then. Or a startup. Okay, let's see the walkthrough from CodeRabbit and see what type of fix we could have. I do work for startup, but I've also worked for Siemens. The support H capture during capture component. Yeah. New signups are safe as can be. With tokens and plugins, new code in the mix. The H capture bunny has talked about new tricks. Consider adding environment variable validation. Okay. The capture plugin configuration looks correct, but consider validating Edge capture secret exists at startup to fail fast if misconfigured. Let's do it, because CodeRabbit knows better. You can add T3 env for environment variation. It's nice if that will fail at build time if env is missing. Oh, okay. Okay, what should I do here? That didn't work. Okay, good luck. Thank you. Okay, this causes a different type of error. T3 OS env. Ooh, shit, wait. I forgot. I was cooking chicken. Wait, yeah. I'll be back. 1 second. The issue is it needs to be a constant. Okay. Okay. Maybe we could just revert it back to how it used to be. Just for I don't know. Maybe just keep it this way. It's fine. Where are you, bro? I was sorry. I was washing rice. I need to cook lunch because it's already 1 p.m. I think I'm just gonna keep this one from the yeah. It's fine. Captcha hcaptcha.tsx. I think it's fine. I don't really need to change anything. I think this one is a good one. The capture props. That means I need to change this as well. Consider enhancing error handling for missing side key, or is it a good practice to have that? What's it called? The one that Code Rabbit suggested, but it needs to be a const. So I'm confused here. Okay. If there is no side key in the hcaptcha.tsx, while logging and returning null work, consider if you want to render an error message or throw an error to make a configuration issues more visible during development. Okay, for this one, I think type error wouldn't be an issue, right? Okay. 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 The auth form. Fix import inconsistency and unused imports. Which one is unused? There's inconsistency in imports. You're importing both the custom captcha component and the underlying hcaptcha component, but only using the hcaptcha. Really? Okay. So, oh yeah, maybe we don't. Okay. So we don't need this? Will that cause any error? Okay, yeah. Okay, that causes an error. What do you mean? I need that edge captcha. What? Why does Code Rabbit say that? What? Why? Okay, I think this is a mistake by CodeRabbit. I don't know. Does that work? Yeah, that works. Okay. Hello, Vishnav. Hello, hello, welcome. And next up, but yeah, I think after I merged this branch, I think I'm gonna finish because it's already been 2 hours. I'm also in the middle of cooking, and it's been a lovely Saturday. Thank you. It's a bit gloomy here. Not that fun of a weather, but been a good stream. Adding more feature, learning new stuff, messing with CodeRabbit, but yeah, I think after the CodeRabbit check is all good, I'm gonna merge the branch and deploy it, and I think it should be good. Let's check the monitoring. See, we can see that I don't know why this is reach. What happened during this time? Okay. So, what are you cooking? That is so cringe. Sorry. No, but yeah, it's in the oven right now, so I already marinated it. I already marinated the chicken yesterday, so I just only need to bake it, and I'm just gonna eat it with some rice. That's it. Probably add some eggs if I'm not that lazy, but that's it. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Omwerk and check the deployment. Waiting for CodeRabbit, and I think that should be all. Okay, review complete by CodeRabbit. How can I learn Python? I used to just okay. So there's this book called Automate Boring Stuff with Python. It's a free online book or you can buy it if you want. Okay, no conflict. I'll check how fast. Okay. It's actually a very good and very fun book and interactive as well. So for learning Python, I actually would, yeah, try this book, the Automate the Boring Stuff. Oh my god, that is actually fucking amazing. Okay. Yeah, let me go back to Omberg. Yo, hello. What's up? What's up? Welcome. Let's go to admin and add more. Oh, okay. Okay, let's add new resources, which is the Automate the Boring Stuff with Python, because I really liked this book when I was learning Python. I think Alice Zweigart, the author, also have a YouTube channel that. Hello, hello, welcome. Yeah, he has also an online video course for it. It goes with like the Python, the basic syntax, and even like some projects you can use integrated with email, web scraping, SQLite, Google Sheets, and etc. I think for learning Python, this is a very good beginning. Okay. For this website, the Omwerk, I use Next.js. You're welcome. The subject is Compact Sci. It is a book, but it's also a video and a course, but it's also a website. I think I'll go with the book and video because he also have the video about it. Minecraft clone in C++. It's been a while since I've done C++. So I think I need to redo C++ if I ever. If I ever do that, I think I really need to learn a bit more about, like, relearn about C++. Okay, let's merge. Merge. Okay, cool. Should be merged by now. And if you go to here, it's going to build and see if there is any error. Oh my god, really? That's cool. Yeah. Where can we see it? The thing is, the link, I don't think YouTube allows links in the comment. Maybe you can do like blah blah blah, blah dot something for the URL. Okay, let's see. When you started this, do you have some experience? I have a little bit of experience before. Yeah, we can't really see the link because I think YouTube doesn't allow URL. I'm a computer science last year student. I still don't do the fundamentals. Okay. Ruparandas? Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, the comments is missing. Wait. Oh, sorry, Rupamdas. Sorry. I didn't. My monitor is broken. Oh shit, this is cool. Oh, you're using 3JS for this mod for the 3D model? That is sick. Cool. Ooh, I love this. I like this. Full stack chat. Can we see this? Or do we need an account? This looks amazing. I like this 3D section. Is it, do you scan the 3D model using like a 3D scanner, or is it, or you build it using Blender or any other 3D stuff? This is cool. I like it. Okay, there we go. It's already applied. And in the Omwerk, if you go to sign up, if you want to sign up, let's go sign out. If you want to sign up, you need to fill in a CAPTCHA. Huh. Oh, okay. I didn't see the CAPTCHA here. Why is it not doing anything? Okay. This is bad. Huh, I couldn't see the CAPTCHA. Why is that? Huh. You know what? I'm so stupid. I forgot to put the environment variable. I'll do that off cam, but... Oh, okay. That's my bad. That's my bad. I should have put the error the one code Rabbit recommended, because I definitely fell for my own. I'm gonna put the env variable off cam, okay? I forget to input the env variable. That's all. That's all. It's fine. I'll put it off cam. It's fine. Yeah, I don't use Vercel. I use VPS and using Docploy. Omwerk is the project I'm working on. It's a directory website of electrical engineering learning resources, basically. I will definitely would love to try React Native, especially with Expo. I heard Expo is very nice. Yeah, okay. I think okay, guys, I think that's it for today. I've already it's how long has it been? Like 2 hours. I'm gonna put the env variable so that I can see the age captcha, because it's stupid. I didn't see it. I forgot to set it up at first, but so stupid. Okay. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and for all the comments and suggestions. Have it. Ooh, is it live? Okay. Hello, hello. Sorry, I'm about to end the stream just in a few minutes. Hello, hello. Welcome. Is it live? Will the Habit Hub be live? I think I would be willing to try it. But yeah, if you once it's live, please share it to the chat. I will probably be here for the next few days, no, or weeks, because I don't know. I don't have any green light of any possible jobs and stuff right now, but it is what it is. So we're gonna try and yeah, just keep trying, I guess. But yeah, that's it for me today. In another coding every day until I get a job. Hope everyone have a great Saturday, great weekend, and yeah, looking forward for tomorrow. Hopefully I would add another feature, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.